Hi, in this video I wanted to talk about something that I've kind of been thinking about recently. The idea is the concept of visuals and dreams and how these visuals are different from those that you see in real life. Okay, so there are certain dreams where the visuals are very similar to those in real life. I mean, there is very little surrealism and very the realism of in the visuals of these dreams. It's very close to those that you see in real life, but there are these other type of dreams where it's many different types of visuals which are surreal in their own way. Now in some of these dreams it is completely, the type of visuals are very abstract, but in some of these other dreams they are vivid and they are surreal, but there is still a certain degree of realism to it. So with and some of these other concepts that I've wanted to talk about um, is the is the clarity of these visuals and dreams, because what I noticed in many of these dream visuals, for example, if there are certain transparent objects in the dreams, like for example if there is glass in the dreams, or if there is water, or if there is any other transparent surfaces. um, so with these surfaces, the amount of clarity that you normally see in real life, as compared to, compared to those what you see in dreams, is there's the clarity of it's really amplified in dreams. Apart from this, what I noticed is the brilliance of colors in many of these surreal visual type of dreams. Colors have their own very distinct brilliance to it, which is often not something you normally see in real life, not in the sense that it is very unrealistic, but if you can have this type of brilliance in real life, I mean, there are certain types of situations where you can encounter these type of visuals, but in dreams it has its own brilliance to it. So that's one of these things that I wanted to talk about. And apart from that, another thing that I noticed is the scale of objects, because what I often noticed in dreams is that the scale of things, it gets enlarged. um, Not in the sense that a same object is larger, not necessarily in that way, but if a certain thing has a certain amount of elements to it, then in dreams that number kind of gets amplified, in the sense that now it's if it's let's for example, if it's a city with X number of buildings. So what I normally see in dreams, in certain of these surreal type of dreams, is that the number of buildings is much larger, like not something you would see in real life. It's just gigantic, and it's um, the scale of it is completely off of what you would see in real life. So that's one of these other things that I often noticed with visuals in dreams. So apart from this, there are many other things that I kind of want to talk about, but I can't really think of them right now. So as I get more of as I come across more of these concepts, I'll make videos about them, and hopefully get more into detail um, with these ideas. So well, yeah, that's where I'm going to end this video, and I'll see you next time.